Hi folks, this is Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Lifestyle Design Accelerator, a very interesting product which is relaunched today, the 22nd of January 2019, and you can try it for just $1. That is right, this is the cheapest offer that we have ever reviewed here in the Elite Tigers Group YouTube channel, and it is a very interesting story and a very interesting product that transformed the fortunes of one particular internet marketer who goes by the name of George Katsoudis. And watch this video because it's a really, it's a proper, rags to riches, I suppose, in a way, tale of a struggling internet marketer called George. This is literally a photo of his fridge 6 years ago. One day he opened it, all he could find in it was a bottle of water and half a lemon, and at that stage of his journey he was $25,000 in debt. Well, the steps that he took after that, which eventually led him to create Lifestyle Design Accelerator, is what brought us to this particular part of the journey. So he's using a completely legitimate model to get himself out of trouble. It's not a get-rich quick scheme or one of these guru type schemes that you see a lot online. They drive me mad. I'm sure they drive you mad, especially if you've ever been taken in by any of them. Fortunately, I managed to spot most of them a mile off, so I've stayed clear of most of them. But anyway, they've created a system now that involved creating very small online micro businesses that connect people with products they love, and then in return keeping a finder's fee. Now, he has created, along with his partners now, a standardized system called Lifestyle Design Accelerator, and that is what this particular product is. He tried many things to make it before, probably a lot of the old school things that people used to try in internet marketing sort of 10 years ago, writing ebooks, classic blogging, buying pay-per-click and Google AdWords. Anyone that's been online 5 years or more has almost certainly tried those things. I know I have. And then he tried a 3-step experiment. Firstly, he built a team. He found skilled but affordable people who were willing and able to do things that he didn't particularly like doing. For example, creating content or doing technical tasks. Now, we've all got different skills. Now, you probably, I don't know if you know my background, but I've got a background as a journalist and broadcaster, which I hope maybe occasionally comes across in my video presentations, perhaps not, because I clearly wasn't a particularly good one, or I'd be on BBC News at 10 or whatever. But no, I was mainly on the local radio circuit. But my strength is obviously in presenting and writing. I'm absolutely dreadful at anything technical, like really, really dreadful. I'm the proverbial person that, can just about change a light bulb, yeah? And even then I'm sort of wobbly on the ladder because I don't like heights. So, we can all do things that we're good at and some things we're rubbish at. And it's best to get other people to do the things that we're rubbish at, because then you can free your time up to concentrate on the things that you are good at, which in George's case was strategy and planning. But he was tied down with all these sort of tasks that he could get other people. So then he automated with the help of talented software engineers. I don't know if you know the site Fiverr, but you can get loads of people to do tasks for really cheap money these days. He created apps that would automate important but tedious tasks. For example, building websites and optimizing them for Google, MSN and Yahoo. Bear in mind the period that he was doing this in. And then he simplified it. He built an online micro business that connected people with products that they love, and he was keeping a finder's fee. And that enabled him to then be able to genuinely only need to work a few hours a day because he'd outsourced all of the stuff that was causing him the headaches. Now these, George invites you, you'll see on the video, to actually contact Warrior Plus to verify this. These are genuine Warrior Plus figures. And you can also look at 2 of the micro business sites that are still running as of last year. These examples that currently rank in the top 3 of Google for this one here is inversion tables. I don't know what they are either, but it's these little niches. This is what people always assume. Oh, what sort of niche do you want? Oh, football shirts, or electrical items, or turntables. Things that would jump out at you. But of course, the real niched areas are in little things like this. Like, I don't know what an inversion table is, yeah? But I imagine it's pretty specialized. And I should imagine if you've got a really good site doing inversion table reviews, that you're not up against a huge amount of competition if you know what you're doing, yeah? And that's the key to this niche building. I do know that much at least, yeah? Best sewing machine reviews. Now, my wife would be very interested in this because I promised I'd buy her a sewing machine for Christmas. I still haven't yet. I must get around to it because she's been working very hard in the business on a lot of admin tasks. But there we go. Okay, so this proprietary system is called the Lifestyle Design Accelerator, the LDA for short. And this is part of the step-by-step training, something they call the Sherlock Holmes method, which is an unconventional way to find wealthy micro markets to build your micro business in, such as inversion tables, yeah? See what's going on here? That way you can build a profitable micro business in less time because there's less competition, obviously. Sherlock. The Godfather method, how to easily create profit-producing content so your online micro business is seen as the authority and avoid the fatal content mistakes most people make. Most people just throw content together. Now, I know this is obviously going to annoy me as a journalist, but there's nothing worse than you go on a site and it's badly written and it's just absolute rubbish. And I just log off it straight away, because for me, content has to be in good, well-written English and preferably well-researched. I can tell straight away if someone's just, copied and pasted something without even sub-editing it. Rant over. The crowd stampede method, how to get 70,000 plus free visitors to your online micro business every month with a simple step-by-step process. This guy knows his stuff. And what works now? Ongoing training. The next part of the program is Lifestyle Designer X, the fast micro business builder. With their proprietary platform, George and his team will build your online micro business based on WordPress, but without the headaches. Now, I can tell you, WordPress, even these days, it's better than it used to be, but it is still headaches. You won't know, but quietly in the background, I'm currently building a corporate site for the Elite Tigers group. We haven't gone live yet, which is why I haven't announced it, but that is causing me some headaches at the moment. So I know where he's coming from, and I've got millions of plugins in it and trying to make it all singing, all dancing, but it'll chirp a bit to start with, and then maybe it might become something better. But anyway, WordPress, as you know, it rocks. But the main problem is that many business owners get stuck with a technical mumbo jumbo of installing WordPress, finding plugins and themes, configuring them, optimizing settings. Yeah, it's all true, folks. It is all true. But don't worry, because George has got your back. He worries about the technical details, so you don't have to. I wonder if I can actually hire this guy. What do you reckon? Then we've got some case studies, plenty of case studies. Then his ultimate template toolkit, access an arsenal of templates, swipe files and checklists. 85% of the work is done for you. Now, he's not saying that this is a completely DFY or done for you solution. There is some work required on your part. It isn't get money overnight, sort of just do a few things and then leave it. This is a business that you're going to have to spend a bit of time on, but it's well worth it. inspirational videos of people that have succeeded with the digital lifestyle. Superhero service providers. These are the people that are going to do the stuff that you do not want to do. Priceless. Become an LDA Tribe member. Join a community of savvy marketers and lifestyle designers who dominate their micro markets. Learn from the best and ethically steal their best ideas. They will let you do all of this stuff. Unexpected bonuses. As I said, I always treat these figures with a pinch of salt about what all this stuff is actually worth if you monetize it, but it is worth a lot of money. So what you should do now is jump on the special offer that the Lifestyle Design Accelerator have got during this relaunch, and that is to get this product on trial for just $1. $1 and you can try this product out for 14 days. Comes with a standard guarantee. Obviously, you can even have your dollar back if you really want to. Then after that, you need to choose one of these plans. Now, I actually would recommend this gold plan because it's only $10 a month more than the silver, and you get a lot more. So with the silver plan, you get one micro business. So you can build one micro business niche from start to finish with basic training, the proprietary system, which will do it nearly all for you, and the Lifestyle Designer X app, case studies that you can emulate, and their Rolodex of superhero service providers, everything that you'll need to get this up and running, this niche. Yeah. As I said, you can try it for 14 days. You'll be impressed. I can guarantee that. And then after the trial, it goes up if you want to stay on. And, if you're committed to building a business, you will. But if you're prepared to pay 10 a month more, you can have 3 micro businesses. Bear in mind, hosting's included as well. There's nothing else to pay. And you get, you're fully plugged in to the LDA system. It's like, if you like, a micro community itself where you can get advice and training. You'll get advanced training once you finish your basic training, an advanced traffic generation module, and obviously you'll earn 3 times as much. Now there is a platinum membership with 8 micro businesses. That's $99 a month. Now, if you're going from scratch and you don't have any experience in building niches, it's going to quickly turn into a full-time job managing these 8 micro businesses, right? So I wouldn't go for this unless you've got a lot of experience in working with niches and you really know what you're doing, yeah? So this is the one that I'm recommending, gold, yeah? $49 a month after the trial. You've got loads of testimonials here. These are all genuine testimonials. This one's very good, actually. I suggest reading this testimonial by James Zimmerman, because he actually goes through and breaks the course down exactly what the course consists of and what he got out of it. I think that's pretty good. There's loads of Q&As at the bottom. There's George himself. And, I recommend this, and I'm going to give it a 4.5 star rating because I like products that are built on communities. I don't know if you know, there's a program called Wealthy Affiliate, which is a great training program. A little bit like this. It does a huge number of things, but one of the things it does is teach you to build niche websites. I'm still a member of it now. I pay my membership every year, and it's brilliant. I just never have time to go there anymore. It's actually in Epic Downline Builder. If you want to check it out, go to the Elite Tigers Group site, epicdownlinebuilder.com, and have a look in the downline builder at Wealthy Affiliate. I always recommend it. But this is another way of doing it, and this is absolutely great. And as I said, I recommend that you watch this. And I quickly need to go through my bonuses because my timer is going to run out. I'm offering you John O. Armstrong, my mentor's exclusive bonuses again. I'm going to quickly run through them. How to make a professional squeeze page for a $5 course. Get access to John O's 2.5k email swipes to copy and paste. He is a 7-figure internet marketer. The best solo ads training course ever. Sorry to rush through these guys, but I'm on a particular timer with this software program. Fuego Breakout. It's a better program than solo ads. You click on any of these red buttons at any time. It'll take you through to the main sales page, and you will get all of these bonuses when you check out. All right, that's been it from me. Thanks very much to Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Lifestyle Design Accelerator.